Well, good afternoon. How are you doing? I hope you're staying safe. And am just going to give you a quick update about what's going on with things because I had been posting that I was going to be taking a road trip this week to go down to get my 1947 bus. And I'm taking a detour. I actually now am going out to Arizona and back in a course of about 7 days. So, about 2 weeks ago, my father, who is just about to turn 86, decided that he wanted to come back to Michigan from Arizona. And so he booked himself a plane ticket. And for somebody of that age, there are significant health risks in flying right now. And so we talked about it, and I offered to go get him. And after we talked about it for a while, he decided that that would be okay. So I am renting a mini Winnie, and I'm getting on the road tomorrow morning at about 7 o'clock. I'm going to pick this mini Winnie up, and I'm going to haul out to Arizona and back and leave him in the Detroit area where he lives in the summer. And so it's going to be about 60 hours of driving, 4,000 miles. I really, really am it's killing me that I can't take my own Silversides, but that is what it is. I'm a year off from mine being ready. And so you just got to do what you got to do. And so I'll be doing that over the next week or so. I hope to post some updates and kind of let you know what's happening. But I did want to let people know I had some people inquire asking to when I was leaving and those types of things. So everything is still in plan, and we'll see what ends up happening. Texas may be not a safe place to go in June, so it's a little frustrating. We'll see kind of what goes on. The good news is that I talked with Chris Carter and Tyler, and it sounds like my new leaf springs will be going on my 1941 Silversides bus here sometime this week. And then they'll get the rest of the punch list, new brake pads, and there's a bunch of other things that need to be done. And hopefully that'll be driving around here pretty soon, and we'll get that back up to Michigan, and I can play with it all summer and get down to Texas when I can. So take care out there. I hope you're being safe, and just watch for the updates. It's going to be interesting.